Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two head shavers that are ready to go head-to-head. It's the Remington Balder Pro head shaver versus the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor. Get ready for some close shaves and even closer comparisons. Let's dive in. Both the Remington Balder Pro head shaver and the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor are priced at $59, making it a tie in the price department. When it comes to shaving performance, the Remington Balder Pro's 5 dual track heads provide a swift and thorough shave, while the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 7D floating head shaver offers a flexible and smooth shaving experience. Reviewers mention that both shavers provide a close shave, but the Remington Balder Pro's extra cutting heads give it the edge. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor offers versatility with its 5 replacement shaver heads, including a hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, massage brush, and cleaning brush. On the other hand, the Remington Balder Pro focuses solely on head shaving, making it a specialist in this area. Reviewers mention that if you're looking for a one-trick pony, the Remington Balder Pro is your go-to. But if you want a grooming Swiss Army knife, then the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 is the way to go. Both the Remington Balder Pro head shaver and the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor are IPX7 waterproof, allowing you to use them in the shower or with foam. Reviewers mention that both shavers can handle water with ease, making it a tie in the waterproof department. The Remington Balder Pro head shaver offers 50 minutes of cordless action, while the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor gives you 90 minutes of working time after just 1.5 hours of fast charging. Reviewers mention that the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 has a longer battery life, making it the winner in this category. Based on online reviews, the Remington Balder Pro head shaver is highly praised for its fast and smooth shaving performance, with reviewers mentioning that it provides a similar result to a razor shave without any cuts, irritation, or mess. The shaver is also easy to clean, and the blades only need to be replaced every 12 months. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor is praised for its effectiveness, convenience, and additional attachments, such as a nose hair trimmer. Reviewers mention that it allows for a quick and efficient shave without causing any cuts, rashes, or razor bumps. The razor also features a battery life indicator and is easy to handle and clean. Overall, both shavers have received positive reviews, but it ultimately comes down to personal preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Remington Balder Pro head shaver and the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor in various categories. It's been a close battle, but in the end, it all comes down to your personal preferences. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.